Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So आज we will read about प्रगति of 53 power projects reviewed by PM, 43 commissioned so far. So let us see what is प्रगति. So प्रगति का full form है Proactive Governance and Timely Implementation, which was launched in 25 March 2015 by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. एंड जो इसका पर्पस था वो ये था, इट वाज टू क्रिएट अ मल्टीपर्पज मल्टी मॉडल प्लेटफॉर्म फॉर गवर्नेंस कंबाइनिंग टेक्नोलॉजी डेटा एंड डायरेक्ट कम्युनिकेशन। और इसके ऑब्जेक्टिव थे जैसे कि डेवलपमेंट करना, टू मॉनिटर रिजॉल्व इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर एंड सोशल प्रोग्राम्स, ऐसे प्रोजेक्ट्स होते थे। और सिटीजन्स टू रेज इश्यूज डायरेक्टली, उसके लिए एक प्लेटफॉर्म होना चाहिए। एनहेंस अकाउंटेबिलिटी, जिसमें कि ट्रांसपेरेंसी होनी चाहिए फॉर गवर्नमेंट डिसीजन मेकिंग, एंड टू प्रमोट कोऑपरेटिव, ताकि टुगेदर सेंट्रल एंड स्टेट ऑफिशियल्स should solve problem all together. So this was all about. So Pragati ka full form, as I've told, that it is proactive governance and timely implementation. So इसके तहत 43 out of 53 power sector projects worth rupees 3.02 lakh crore reviewed by Prime Minister Narendra Modi have been commissioned as of December 31st 2025, officials said. So इसका जो full form है, this might come in an exam, विच इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, जिसमें कि 53 सेक्टर प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं, 43 जो है रिव्यूड किए गए हैं प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी से, एंड रिमेनिंग 10 प्रोजेक्ट्स वर्थ अबाउट रुपीज 1.1 lakh crore are at advanced stages of completion. They added overall the 53 power sector projects worth rupees 4.12 lakh crore include 27 transmission projects, 14 thermal power projects, 9 hydro projects, and 3 coal mine projects. So from this only you could see that this is actually a very high level of project, जिसमें कि 43 thermal power projects हैं, 9 hydro projects, and 3 coal mine projects, also 27 transmission projects हैं. So इसका बजट भी वैसा ही है. State owned power grid corporation of India leads the list with 20 projects, followed by 14 projects by NTPC. NTPC जो है वो नॉर्थ ईस्टर्न इलेक्ट्रिक पावर कॉरपोरेशन लिमिटेड, THDC, and Sterlite have commissioned 2 projects each, while one transmission project in Uttar Pradesh has also been completed. Has also been completed, तुम देख सकते हो. Has जो है, has and have जो है present form में यूज होता है, and completed है ED. Has been है तो ये present perfect tense में है. Of the 10 projects currently in advanced stage, PG, CIL, NTPC, NHPC, THDC, and Sterlite account for 2 projects each, officials said, and launched in 2015. तो ये बेसिकली जो 25 मार्च 2015 में ये प्रगति है, इसे लॉन्च किया गया था. तो प्रोजेक्ट्स अंडर, सी हियर इट इज रिटन, प्रोएक्टिव गवर्नेंस एंड टाइमली implementation प्रगति framework are monitored at multiple levels including by Prime Minister and the Union Cabinet Secretary. Beyond projects reviewed at the PM's level, the broader Pragati ecosystem, which operates enough multiple layers of monitoring, has so far reviewed 237 power projects worth rupees 10.53 lakh crore. These projects have already been commissioned. Another 108 power sector projects worth rupees 6 lakh crore currently under construction and continue to be monitored under various tiers of Pragati platform. So, which is a good platform. Power sector projects often face delays due to mix of administrative, technical, regularity, and natural factors, the official said. Common challenges include land acquisition. Land acquisition मतलब कि एक land चाहिए होता है for this power sectors. तो land acquisition is very important, which is a common challenge. Environmental and forest clearance, rehabilitation, and resettlement issues for power sectors. This is a basic thing that we need land for this. और इसके लिए फॉरेस्ट एरिया क्लियर किया जाता है. लैंड इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर दैट. रिहेबिलिटेशन एंड रीसेटलमेंट मतलब कि लोगों को एक तरह से दूसरी जगह माइग्रेट करना पड़ता है ताकि स्पेस, एक लैंड मिले गवर्नमेंट को फॉर दिस प्रोजेक्ट्स. फ्यूल लिंकेजेस, इक्विपमेंट सप्लाई delays, and contractual disputes. So काफ़ी challenges होते हैं in these sectors. In the case of transmission projects, delay frequently arise from right of way issues, forest and defense clearance, coordination challenge between central and state agencies and local law order concerns. So इतने सारे problems आते हैं projects में. Hydropower projects, meanwhile, are often affected by geological surprises, difficult terrain, short working seasons, and resettlement challenges in remote areas. Pragati-led monitoring has helped minimize, यहाँ पे भी has helped है, so this is also in present, minimize interdepartmental bottleneck, significantly improving execution of power projects, the official said. Several long-stalled generation and transmission projects have moved towards completion following interventions under the platform, leading to enhanced power availability, improved grid reliability, and better utilization of national resources they added. So basically, this was all about power sector. इसमें कितना प्रोजेक्ट का कितना वर्थ है वो बताया गया है. एंड ऑल्सो स्टेट एंड सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट है उनका प्रॉपर जॉइंट वेंचर होना चाहिए, डिस्कशन होना चाहिए ऑफिशियल्स का, ताकि प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग हो. ऑल्सो एज आई टोल्ड यू दैट लैंड एक्विजिशन, रिहेबिलिटेशन, पावर ग्रिड, लैंड इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर दिस. सो रीसेटलमेंट प्रॉब्लम्स आर देयर. सो ये सब प्रॉब्लम्स होते हैं. सो फॉर पावर प्रोजेक्ट्स, so this is a very like advanced and development kind of technology, I would say, कि this will help India in the future. So thank you for the listening, and this was all about Pragati. Hopefully you had learned and gained something from this video. Thank you.